Okay, good morning, everyone. So we are meeting in the lecture number 3, and today we will be doing problems related to what we have done till now. We have done MCQ based problem, station type problem, switch type problem, and dice roll type problem, weather type problem, travel type problem, coin toss type problem. Now today we will be entering into another domain, that is word based problem. Okay, so let us begin with the word based problem. Hello everyone. Hello, good morning. Now let us begin with the word based problem, and we have few questions. Let us try these questions. वर्ड बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम को कैसे टैकल करेंगे वो देखते हैं. Generally, you get word-based problem and digit-based problem. So, digit-based problem, to solve a digit-based problem, remember it. To solve digit-based problem, you need to be very thorough in word-based problem. Now, I need to teach you something. First, one question I will tell you. Then, after post that, you can try it by yourself. Okay. Now, let us come to question number 15. This is the question number 15 is a word-based problem. Question number 1. Okay. Now understand this question, how we gonna target this question. If you conquer the word based problem, you can easily sail through the digit based problem. Let us begin with question number 15. In question number 15, it says that how many three-letter words can be formed using the alphabet A B C D E. तो आपके पास अल्फाबेट क्या क्या अवेलेबल है. Understand how to attempt this problem. See, the explanation might feel bit long, but once you go through it, it will be very easy for you. Alphabet is, what are the alphabet available? A, B, C, D, E. So there are five alphabet available. Always the one theory always goes ki who can come in this place. There are how many letter word that you need to form? All this can be like this, with or without meaning. It can be meaningful word, it cannot be meaningful word also, because the question says how many three letter words. तो अगर मेरे पास थ्री लेटर वर्ड्स फॉर्म करने के लिए तीन प्लेसेस की जरूरत है, आई हैव थ्री प्लेसेस टू बी फिल्ड. दैट मीन्स फॉर द टास्क, व्हाट इज द मेन टास्क? द मेन टास्क इज I have to do a three lettered word. So what are my subtask is? The subtask is, this is subtask 1, subtask 2, subtask 3. Is it clear? I hope you got it. Now, in the first place, suppose the first subtask 1 that you need to fill is, you will ask yourself this question, that who can come here? There are two types of problem to this from now onwards. One is repetition allowed, one is repetition not allowed. So what is repetition allowed? What is repetition not allowed? Repetition allowed means who can come in the first place can also come in the second place. Like A can be a word. Yes or no? C can be a word. So here the repetition is allowed. But when the repetition is not allowed, that means the digits are, or the alphabet or the digits are all distinct in nature. Is it clear? Now see, when I say repetition is allowed, इसका क्या मतलब है? Who can come here? Any five objects can come here or not? Any five objects can come here. Out of the one seat in the first place, any five alphabet can come here. It can start with A, it can be B, it can be C, it can be D, it can be E. I don't know who can come here, but I'm making a prediction that any five can come here. Now, who can come in the next place? It can be any five because repetition is allowed. Who can come in the next place? It can be any five. So answer would be 5 cube. Easy. Now when the question comes to repetition not allowed, बहुत लोगों को ये दिक्कत होता है, लोग रट्टे मारते हैं. So you need to be very clear with this. You need to understand this first. Ask yourself this question. अच्छा, who can come here? This question is enough to get you the answer that the objects, any of the five objects, that is A, B, C, D, can come here. Now the next is your work complete? You will tell no, sir. How is your work not complete? Ask yourself this question again. What is my work? My work is I need to get a three-lettered word. Have I obtained a three-lettered word by just filling the first place? The answer is no. Now, since the answer is no, that means the work is not complete. Since the work is not complete, what I need to do is I need to multiply. Next, who can come here? Any four can come here. Why any four? Because the first place must be, देखो यहाँ पे कौन कौन आ सकते हैं? अब देखो A आ सकता है, B आ सकता है, C आ सकता है, D आ सकता है, E आ सकता है। कौन आया है वो मुझे पता नहीं है। कौन आ सकता है वो पांच केसेस है। कौन आया है, who has actually come, I don't know. So what I will do, I will assume that anyone has come, but it is not necessarily that D has come. I have cancelled out D, but it is just a case. It is not necessarily that D will always come. It can be any one out of the five. That is why I am multiplying. So D is coming. Suppose D is coming in the first place. That means who remains? A, B, C, E. These are the four cases which are remaining. बाकी multiplication will do the gamble. Is it clear? इसके बाद someone must have come here. Then who remains? Any three remains. So answer would be 5 into 4 into 3. Is it clear? And the work is dependent on each other. That means the काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है. That is why you multiply. Is it clear to everyone? I hope you got it. So with this, we have done question number 15. Now you begin with question number 16. I will pause the screen for a while. Just give me a minute. You do this. Do question number 16. I'll teach you a rank method today. Yeah, let me do some question. उसके बाद rank नहीं तो देखेंगे. 26 into 25 into 24. Very good. So question number 16 is done. Why? Because the question says you have to form a three distinct letters of the English alphabet. So it would be how much? Three places. Who can come in the first place? 26 product, 25 product, 24. Is it clear? I hope you got it. Now, question number 17. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Very good. Four places. Any four, three, two, one. बहुत आसान है. Who can come in the first place? Any four can come. ROSE. उसके बाद तीन, उसके बाद दो, उसके बाद एक. काम खत्म. Clear. Question number 18. देखो question number 18 is conditional arrangement. Got it? It says that how many four-letter words can be formed with or without meaning, which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose, which begins with the word R, which begins with the letter R. So actually, I need to frame up four places, but this place is occupied by R. Will you ask, अगर आपका first place is occupied by R, will you ask yourself this question that who will come at the first place? No, because it is already taken. When something is already taken, how many cases? One case. When something is already occupied, it is one case because R will definitely come here. You have no choice left whatsoever. You have no choice left whatsoever. Do you have any choice there? Absolutely no, because it is occupied by R. You cannot ask yourself this question that who can come here because R is already present there as per the question. Now, who are available now? Sir, agar the question is repetition allowed and the question is repetition not allowed. Whenever the question is repetition allowed, I can tell this would be 1, 4, 4, 4, all will be multiplied. The answer would be 4 cube. But when the question is repetition not allowed, 1, since R is already gone, who can come here? Sir, it can be O or S or E. So it would be three cases. Someone must have, someone will come here. If someone will come here, the remaining are two cases. If one is occupied here, again remains is one. एक एक कम करते जाना है. So answer would be 1 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Is it clear? I hope you got it. Question number 18 is done. So let us do question number 19. Fatafat. Please do question number 19. 3 into 2 into 1 into r. Very good. Chalo. So we are done with this question also. It would be 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. It ends with r. Got it? So someone must might get a doubt like this. Ki, sir, we are always doing the allocation like this. Ki, suppose this place is occupied by r, it would be gone by 1. We are doing the allocation like this. Ki 3 here, 2 here, 1 here. If I do it this way, ki who can come here? It would be 3, it would be 2, it would be 1. Will there be any change? The answer is no. But whenever there is a restriction case, whenever there is a restriction case, always fill restricted case first. I mean, apply or allocate numbers at the restricted position first, because unrestricted positions are free, right? So we are done with this. These questions are done. अभी ये दो questions करते हैं. I hope you are enjoying the module with the number of questions, the variety of questions. Question number 20. Question number 20, everyone. I will add another question also. Same as question number 20. such that R and E are at the extreme positions. So find the number of four-letter words. Question number 20. Find the number of four-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose which begins with R and ends with E. If something is beginning with R and ending with E, so how to attempt it? Four places. Begins with R, occupied, ends with E, restricted cases, occupied. So how many cases? One and one. Product, product. Then the next place is who can come in the next place? It can be two cases, it can be one cases. Clear? Question number 21. This is 20. Question number 21. Find the number of four-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose which R and E are at the even position. So where would R and E come? R would come here, E would come here, R would come here, E would come here, or vice versa. E can come here, R can come here. So what I will do is, who can come here? Sir, it can be R or E. So there would be two cases for this position. These two are the restricted positions. These star marks are restricted position. Who can come here? Any two cases out of R or E, any two can come. One will occupy the position. Yes or no? One will occupy the position and the other position will be taken by the remaining one. Are you able to understand this chain? This is the most important part of this question because it says that R and E will occupy the even position. If R and E occupy the even position, so you will ask yourself this question, who will come here? Who will come here? You can get the answer, it would be R or E. Now, any two can occupy this place. Now, after any two can occupy this place, one will go. The remaining one will come here. Now, you have allocated this two position. You have allocated these two position, which are the two unrestricted position. Now, I'll attach the unrestricted position. Who can come here? It can be O or S. Any two can come here. The remaining one will come here. So the answer will be 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. Is it clear? I hope you got it. These two allocations are by one logic. The yellow one allocation is by another logic. I hope you got it. Just let me know in the comment section. Clear? Do question number 28. Question number 28. The first part is same as 20. Define the number of four-letter words with or without meaning, which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose, such that R and E are at the extreme positions. नहीं प्रोफेसर गलत हो गया. इसको दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. देखो, very good question. We'll attempt it in two ways. One is using fundamental principle of addition, and the other is using fundamental principle of multiplication. So you get a clarity that where to use what. Find the number of four-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose where R and E are at the even position. I will use fundamental principle of addition here. And here I will use fundamental principle of multiplication. Understand? It says that R and E are at the even position. So can I tell, suppose R takes this position. Obviously, E will take this position. This means you have given, oh sorry, we are doing 20A, my bad. Just a minute, my bad, extremely sorry. Although we can do question number 21 by this method also, both the method, but the question logic was different. R and E are at the extreme position. So when R and E are at the extreme position, I want to use the method fundamental principle of addition. What I will do, I will allocate R here. I will allocate E here because R if comes here, do places, do jagah. Two places, two people. That means there won't be any remaining cases. Two people, two places. Both will be fixed. Both will take their own places. Neither the seat remains nor the people remain. Dekho, there are three cases here. Always you remember. I will teach you matlab in further classes also that you have to equalize the number of seats and the number of people. अगर आपके पास 10 लोग हैं 3 सीट है तो 7 पीपल विल रिमेन. अगर आपके पास 10 सीट्स है 7 पीपल है तो 3 सीट्स विल रिमेन. अगर आपके पास 2 लोग है 2 पीपल है सॉरी 2 लोग है 2 सीट्स है सो नीदर द सीट विल रिमेन नॉर द पीपल विल रिमेन. दैट मीन्स complete allocation would be done. Is it clear? So when R and E take the extreme position, what I will do, let us give R to the first place and E to the second place. When I give R to the first place, E to the second place, now I'll ask yourself, I'll ask myself this question, who can come in the second place? Because this is taken by one way, one way. Work is not over, work is not over. Who can come in the second place? It would be two cases. Who can come in this next place? That would be one case. If you are taking repetition is not allowed. Is it clear? Repetition is not allowed. Got it? Yes, Kumar Gaurav. 1 into 2 into 1 into 1. Is it clear? Next. Is the word complete here? Yes, sir. Understand this magic. Sir, I started here. I came to this position. My word is complete. My word is complete in one way. My word is complete in one way. I can also write this same word in another way. Now, since my word is complete in one way, I will do addition. Why? Either I can take the direct route or I can take the indirect route. The concept of or comes. When the concept of or comes, you do addition. Because this is the way I can get word or I can get the word in other way also. So in that case, what you're going to do is either this can be the case. So again, one way, work is not over two ways, one ways. Is it clear? So the answer becomes total four ways. This is by fundamental principle of addition. If I do fundamental principle of multiplication, I'll ask myself this question, how many places? Four places. Four tasks need to be done. Four subtasks need to be done out of the task. Who can come in the first place? It can be R or E. Let us give this to two cases. Why two cases? Because there are two objects available. One will take that place, the one remains. Who remains comes in the last place. I'm telling who remains. I'm not telling whether R will remain or E will remain. That is why I'm telling who remains. That is the work of multiplication. Multiplication have done that thing. Ki whosoever comes in the first place, the one remains comes in the last place. That is why we are multiplying, because these two are dependent event. These two are linked to each other. Clear? The work is not over. Multiply. Now who remains? It would be over s. Two ways. Remaining one out of this is one way. These two are connected. These two are connected. So the answer is four ways. Is it clear? In one case, I did fundamental principle of multiplication only. In the other case, I did the fundamental principle of multiplication as well as fundamental principle of addition. This should be clear in your mind. I hope you got it. Pura clear? Okay. So we are done with this set. Let us do car number plate type question. Question number 76. Kumar is 26 into 25 into 10 into 9 into 8. देखते हैं. How many car number plates can be made if each of the plate contains two different letters of English alphabet followed by three different digits? So two different letters and three different digits. The pink one are digits. The other color is letters. So who can come here? 26. Repetition not allowed ले रहे हैं 25. Why should we take repetition not allowed? Acha, two different letters given है, right? Two different letters given है. So the question itself says that you have to take distinct digits. So आपने 26 into 25 into the next one would be 10. It would be 10 ways into 9 into 8. Got it? I hope it is clear. Let us go to the next one. How many car number plates can be made if each of the plate contains two letters of English alphabet followed by three digits? Question number 77. क्या आंसर है प्रोफेसर का? प्रोफेसर का वो तो हो गया। कुमार गौरव से 26 into 26 into 10 into 10 into 10 प्लस 26 into 25. How many car number plates can be made if each of the plate contains two letters of English alphabet followed by three digits? कुमार गौरव, द आंसर दैट यू हैव रिटन, इसमें आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि आपका डुअल काउंटिंग हुआ है? आप खुद देखो। आपने 26 into 26 जो लिखे हो, उस 26 into 26 के अंदर ही 26 into 25 केसेस है। तो आपका मैं डाउट क्लियर करता हूँ। इसमें क्या डाउट है कि सर, सिंस द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मी कि वेदर। हाँ हाँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ। अच्छा, प्लस नहीं और। अच्छा, और है। तो वो स्लैश दे के लिखो। रिपीटेशन इधर अलाउड और रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड। रिपीटेशन अलाउड इज अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन, रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड इज अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन। इफ वी कंसिडर रिपीटेशन इज अलाउड, दो क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं। इफ वी टेक रिपीटेशन इज अलाउड, माय आंसर वुड बी two letters of English alphabet, 26 into 26 into 10 into 10 into 10. अगर रिपीटेशन इज नॉट अलाउड तो 26 into 25 into 10 into 9 into 8। और दो केसेस भी हो सकते हैं। इफ रिपीटेशन इज अलाउड इन इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट डिस्टिंक्ट इन आपका डिजिट्स, repetition allowed in English alphabet but distinct in case of digit will be this. If repetition is not allowed in English alphabet, that will be 26 into 25, and repetition is allowed in digits. Is it clear to everyone? तो टोटल चार केसेस हो सकते हैं या नहीं? बोथ रिपीटेशन अलाउड। देखो, आपका इंग्लिश का अल्फाबेट एक है, एक अल्फाबेट है, एक है डिजिट है। अल्फाबेट एक है, डिजिट है। अल्फाबेट के लिए दो केसेस, रिपीटेशन अलाउड, रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड। डिजिट के लिए दो केस, रिपीटेशन अलाउड, रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड। तो दो केसेस, इसका दो, इसका दो, टोटल चार केसेस हुआ या नहीं? परमुटेशन के अंदर परमुटेशन। आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो इधर दोनों केस में रिपीटेशन अलाउड, रिपीटेशन अलाउड इन टू टू केसेस। ए में रिपीटेशन अलाउड, डी में रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड। ए में रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड, डी में अलाउड। ए में नॉट अलाउड, डी में नॉट अलाउड। तो टोटल चार केसेस बन सकता है। आई होप यू हैव लाइक दिस। क्लियर? गॉट इट? सो वी आर डन विद दिस, डन विद दिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 हो जाएगा। देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 78, इसका कंटिन्यूशन इज हियर। फटाफट करो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78। 25 into 25 into 9 into 9 into 8. Let's see. How many car number plates can be made if each of the plate contains two different letters? Two different letters means 26 into 25, followed by three different digits such that zero is not allowed at the first place. Three different digits, but zero is not allowed at the first place. Who can come here? Sir, 1 से लेके 10, remember this code. 1 से लेके 10 is total 10 digits. Sorry, 1 से लेके 9, my bad. 0 से लेके 9 टोटल 10 डिजिट्स। फिर 1 से लेके 9 टोटल 9 डिजिट्स। क्लियर? सो 0 से लेके 10 9, हु कैन कम हियर? इट वुड बी 1 से लेके 9, इट कैन बी एनी 9 केसेस। 1 से लेके 9, anyone can come here. Now suppose 4 has come here. Now in the next case, if repetition is not allowed, suppose I have taken 4 will come. Suppose, it's not that 4 will come. I have taken suppose, because that is the way you have to proceed with how many cases पता करने के लिए। 4 won't come here, but 0 will come here. If 0 comes here, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again 9, 1 gets reduced, 8 cases. So this would be your answer, 26 into 25 into 9 into 8. Is it clear? So question number 79 is done. Let us come to question number 80. हाँ, डिफरेंट था। Do question number 80. Question number 80 करो. How many car number plates can be made if each of the plate contains two letters of English alphabet other than the vowel followed by three digits? थ्री डिजिट्स. रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड करो. रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड करेंगे तो 10 into 9 into 8 आएगा. अगर रिपीटेशन अलाउ करेंगे वैसे 10 into 9 10 into 10 आएगा. और वावेल टोटल 21 है तो 21 into 20 आएगा. और यहाँ पे 21 into 21 आ जाएगा. Is it clear? So I hope you have got the crux of it. However the question gets modified, you can attempt it. Is it clear? So you have done this best problem. Okay. So we will end the session here. Baki will meet in the next class for the remaining questions. ठीक है. So thank you for watching this lecture. Have a great day. Take care, everyone.